Welcome back to Earth Day special video. In part 1, we explored the beauty and importance of our planet and the urgent need to protect it. Now, in part 2, we will delve deeper into some practical ways we can all make a positive impact on our environment. So, let's jump right in. Importance of protecting our planet. Climate change is real and happening right now. The Earth's average temperature has already increased by 1.1 degrees Celsius since pre-industrial times. If we do not take action to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, the temperature could rise by as much as 4 degrees Celsius by the end of this century. The oceans are in trouble. Overfishing, pollution, and climate change are all contributing to the decline of marine ecosystems. It is estimated that by 2050, there could be more plastic than fish in the world's oceans. Biodiversity is essential for a healthy planet. However, human activities, such as deforestation, land use change, and pollution, are causing a rapid loss of species. It is estimated that 1 million species are at risk of extinction in the coming decades. Air pollution is a major public health concern. Exposure to outdoor air pollution is linked to respiratory diseases, heart disease, and stroke. It is estimated that air pollution is responsible for 7 million premature deaths each year. Water scarcity is a growing problem. With the world's population expected to reach 9.7 billion by 2050, demand for water is increasing. However, climate change and human activities are putting pressure on freshwater resources. It is estimated that 2/3 of the global population could face water scarcity by 2025. There are a number of environmental challenges facing the planet, some of which are urgent and require immediate action. Here are some of the key environmental challenges. Climate change. The Earth's climate is changing due to human activities such as burning fossil fuels and deforestation, resulting in rising temperatures, sea level rise, and more frequent and severe weather events. Loss of biodiversity. Human activities such as habitat destruction, overfishing, and pollution are causing a loss of biodiversity and species extinction at an unprecedented rate. Air pollution. Air pollution is a major public health issue and is caused by emissions from transportation, industry, and power generation. Water scarcity. Water scarcity is a growing issue, affecting over 2 billion people worldwide, and is caused by factors such as population growth, climate change, and pollution. Plastic pollution. Single-use plastics such as bags and straws are polluting oceans and waterways, causing harm to marine life and ecosystems. Deforestation. Deforestation is a major contributor to climate change and is caused by activities such as logging, agriculture, and development. Soil degradation. Soil degradation is a growing issue, caused by activities such as intensive agriculture and deforestation, and can lead to decreased agricultural productivity and loss of biodiversity. Key milestones and achievements of the environmental movement. The environmental movement has a long history of advocacy and action to protect the natural world and promote sustainability. Here are some key milestones and achievements of the environmental movement. National parks. In 1872, the world's first national park, Yellowstone, was established in the United States. Today, there are over 6,000 national parks worldwide, protecting millions of acres of land and habitats. Clean Air and Water Acts. In the 1970s, the United States passed the Clean Air Act and Clean Water Act, which set standards for air and water quality and established the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, to regulate pollution. Banning of DDT. In 1972, the pesticide DDT was banned in the United States due to its harmful effects on the environment and wildlife, particularly birds. Climate change awareness. In the 1980s, the scientific community began to raise awareness about the potential impacts of climate change, leading to the creation of the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change, UNFCCC, in 1992. Montreal Protocol. In 1987, the Montreal Protocol was signed, which phased out the use of ozone-depleting substances such as chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs. Conservation efforts. In recent decades, conservation efforts have led to the protection of endangered species such as the bald eagle, gray wolf, and humpback whale. Paris Agreement. In 2015, the Paris Agreement was signed by 195 countries, committing to limit global warming to well below 2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels and pursue efforts to limit the temperature increase to 1.5 degrees Celsius. Some actionable steps we can take to help save our Earth for future generations. Reducing your carbon footprint is a key action you can take on Earth Day, as carbon emissions are a major contributor to climate change. This can be achieved through various means, such as reducing energy use, driving less, adopting a plant-based diet, and using reusable products. Mitigating climate change requires crucial efforts to reduce our carbon footprint. One effective approach is adopting sustainable transportation methods, such as carpooling, biking, or using public transportation instead of driving alone. And for shorter distances, walking is not only beneficial for the planet but also for your health. Clean up litter. Litter and plastic waste harm wildlife and pollute the environment, so organizing a cleanup event in your local area is a great way to make a positive impact on Earth Day. Plant trees and native species. Trees and other plants absorb carbon dioxide and provide oxygen, so planting trees and native species in your local area is a great way to support the environment. Support sustainable businesses. Supporting businesses that prioritize sustainability and environmentally friendly practices is a great way to make a positive impact on Earth Day and every day. Another important aspect of sustainability is reducing waste. The 3 R's, reduce, reuse, and recycle, should be our mantra. By reducing our consumption, reusing items whenever possible, and properly recycling, we can significantly reduce the amount of waste that ends up in landfills and pollutes our oceans. Protecting our natural resources is also vital. Conserving water is a simple but impactful way to do this. Turn off the faucet while brushing your teeth, fix any leaks in your home, and use water-efficient appliances. Every drop counts. Preserving biodiversity is crucial for the health of our planet. One way to do this is by supporting local farmers and eating sustainably. Choose organic, locally sourced produce, and reduce your consumption of meat and seafood. This not only promotes healthier eating habits but also supports sustainable farming practices. Lastly, advocating for policies and initiatives that promote environmental protection is essential. Stay informed, participate in local environmental organizations, and engage with your community to raise awareness about the importance of protecting our planet for future generations. Remember, it's up to each and every one of us to take action and make a positive impact on our planet. Together, we can create a better, more sustainable future for ourselves and generations to come. Happy Earth Day! Thank you for joining us in part 2 of our Earth Day special. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to spread the message of environmental protection. Together, let's make every day Earth Day. Until next time, stay green and take care of our planet.